In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a house for rent on Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you'll have a complete professional listing that attracts real renters and cuts down on back and forth messages. Start by opening Facebook and heading to Marketplace. On mobile, you'll find it in the menu. On desktop, it's in the left sidebar. Choose Create New Listing. This opens the form where you'll build your rental post. When Facebook asks what you're listing, select Property for Rent, not Item for Sale. That choice unlocks rental-specific fields like bedrooms, bathrooms, and lease terms, which makes your post appear in the right searches. Now fill in the property details carefully. Choose the correct property type, add the monthly rent in your local currency, and specify the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Include the floor area if you know it, note whether parking is available, and say if the place is furnished, semi-furnished, or unfurnished. The more complete and accurate you are, the more serious and qualified your inquiries will be. Be honest and specific. Clear details build trust and prevent cancellations later. Next, upload high-quality photos. For rentals, photos do the heavy lifting. Include a clean exterior shot, the living area, each bedroom, the kitchen, at least one bathroom, and the parking space if you have one. Shoot in good daylight, tidy up beforehand, and use landscape orientation so rooms look spacious and bright. Write a strong description that answers common questions up front. Mention the location by city or barangay, list nearby landmarks like schools or markets, and restate the rental price with terms. Include your deposit and advance requirements and outline rules like whether pets are allowed and any limit on occupants. Add your preferred safe contact method through Facebook messages. Here's a simple example you can adapt. 2-bedroom house for rent in Batangas, near schools and market, P8000s month, 1 month advance plus 1 month deposit. Message for viewing schedule, set your price thoughtfully, check similar listings in your area, stay competitive, and let people know if the price is negotiable. Clear pricing reduces low quality messages. Set the location accurately by pinning the correct area and adding landmarks. This helps your listings show up in local searches while keeping exact unit details private until you're comfortable sharing them. Review everything, then click Post. Give it a final read for typos and accuracy. To boost visibility, share the listing to relevant local rental groups, renew it regularly, and respond quickly to messages. Finally, handle inquiries professionally. Ask how many occupants, what budget they have, and their target move-in date. These quick questions help you identify serious renters and save time.